We then entered the Jantar Mantar. There are actually 5 Jantar Mantars across North India, situated in Delhi, Ujjain, Mathura, and Varanasi. But it is the one in Jaipur that is largest and best known. All 5 Jantar Mantars were commissioned by the same ruler, Savai Jai Singh II, popularly known as Savai Jai Singh. Savai Jai Singh had a keen interest in astronomy and mathematics, which is why he built the Jantar Mantar. These are the instruments in the Jantar Mantar, which I'll explain in detail. The precision of these instruments is simply mind-blowing. Before we get into it, you need to understand two things. First, Indian Standard Time is calculated based on the position of Kolkata. And second, Jaipur's time is different from Indian Standard Time. This difference varies based on the month and day. For example, around December 30th, the difference between IST and Jaipur time is 29 minutes and 44 seconds. Around November 25th, the time difference changes to 13 minutes and 44 seconds. And these instruments prove this time difference. This is the small Samrat Yantra. Like most instruments in Jaipur, it is used to calculate Jaipur time. The instrument consists of a graduated hypotenuse and a quadrant on either side, which is inclined by 27 degrees. The shadow of the hypotenuse here falls on the markings of these quadrants, and that is what tells the time. From this picture here, we can find out the time at which we visited the Jantar Mantar. This big marking here denotes an hour, and on each marking the hour would be written. In this case, the hour was 11 o'clock. Each of these portions denotes 15 minutes. 4 of these portions make 1 hour because 15 into 4 equals 60. So you can see there are 2 portions here, which means it is more than 11:30. Now you can see this even smaller 5-minute portions. If you count that, we know it is somewhere between 11:35 and 11:40. Now we just have to count these small markings here, which denote 1 minute. And now we know that I clicked this picture at exactly 11:38 am. Now since we visited Jaipur on November 28th, we will have to add 13 minutes to match with the Indian Standard Time because of the differences between Jaipur and Kolkata time. And when we checked our phones, indeed, it was showing 11:38 plus 13, which equals 11:51 am. The quadrant on the other side is used to calculate time when the shadow falls on the other side after 12 noon.